One of the more objectionable spoilage aromas that can be found in beer is butyric acid, which is produced by microbial contamination and is often described as smelling like vomit. However, when butyric acid and ethanol form the ester ethyl butyrate, the flavor and aroma of pineapple is the result. Ethyl butyrate is a common fermentation byproduct of Brettanomyces, which is both a contaminant microorganism in beer where it isn't intended, and also a microorganism intentionally used by some brewers in beer production. The production of ethyl butyrate is part of the overall desired effects of Brett used in beer. Brettanomyces can be derived from wood barrel fermentation or aging, as Brett can exist well on wood surfaces. It can also be part of the overall selection of microorganisms that are responsible for fermentation in lambic-style beers, where fermentation is caused by exposure of cool wort to airborne microbes. Some hop compounds may exhibit fruity aromas that smell like pineapple. The intentional use of Brettanomyces as a fermentation organism requires attention to the same parameters as with conventional brewing yeast, including strain selection, pitching rate, and fermentation and maturation conditions. As metabolic activity in Brett strains usually works more slowly than conventional yeast fermentation, it can take considerable time for these unique, desirable flavors to develop. Brewers may choose to reuse wooden vessels for fermentation with minimal cleaning between beer batches, which allows Brett cultures and other microbes to develop substantial colonies in the vessel. Breweries intentionally using Brett and other microbial strains for various effects in their beer must take great care in cleaning to make sure the clean beers in their portfolio aren't contaminated with these organisms. While the pineapple aroma may not be considered offensive, other aromas and changes to the beers caused by the inclusion of Brett may have serious damaging effects on beer production and beer quality. Breweries may also choose to use hops that exhibit pineapple characteristics towards showcasing tropical aromas in their beer.